The Chapel of Holy Cross, Sedona. The chapel is situated, standing proud, on top of the Red Rocks, with a breathtaking scenery of a cathedral rocks, bell rocks, and a mountainous red rocks. The area is surrounded by green vegetation and orange-red color of the Rocky Mountains. Our next stop is Chapel of Holy Cross, Sedona. It's wonderful, very beautiful scenery. One of the attractions dito sa Sedona. As in super ganda yung scenery dito. The Chapel of the Holy Cross is a Roman Catholic chapel. According to the history, the chapel was built in 1954 to 1956 into the steep side of the Red Rocks within the Coconino National Forest of Sedona, Arizona. From then, the chapel is holding a regular religious activities to all visitors and the local congregations. And also, the chapel is considered as #1 tourist attractions in the city of Sedona, not just in the state of Arizona, but the entire United States of America. It's because of the breathtaking landscape scenery.
We usually get a magnet everywhere we go.
Tapos na kami dito sa Holy Cross, Chapel of Holy Cross. So we will move to another spot, to another attractions dito sa Sedona. The Cathedral Rock is one of the most shortest scenic hikes in Arizona, situated in the heart of Sedona's Red Rock County. Cathedral Rock is a natural sandstone butte and one of the most photographed sites in Arizona. The rock's formation is resembles as cathedral churches. exhausted din ako sa paglakad. Short lang, maybe a kilometers away lang from the parking area. Exhausted din ako sa paglakad, pero it's a refreshing yung view sa Cathedral Rock. Nandito kami ngayon sa Cathedral Rock sa Sedona. Maganda. Hindi na, parang okay na dito, hindi na ako aakyat sa tatas katulad nila na naglakad going up. Hanggang dito na lang kasi parang haba-haba na yata. Pero okay na dito, maganda na dito ang view sa Cathedral Rock. Cathedral Rock is one of the famous red rock in Sedona that offers a great views of the unique natural rock formation in the area. Cathedral Rock is the shortest scenic hike in the heart of Sedona, Arizona. Short lang ang distance, short lang ang lalakarin, pero hihingalin ka kung hindi ka sanay sa lakad. Kung gustuhin mo talaga na akyat doon, malapit lang siya. Maganda siya, pero hindi kasi tayo sanay sa lakad sa cliff. Hindi naman cliff, parang slightly elevated lang. Siguro mas maganda na siguro doon, pero doon lang kami doon sa yung sa paanan ng Bell Rock itself. Alright, we'll see you on the next stop. So right now we are here. So we have to walk the trail all the way to Devil's Bridge. This is like about 2 miles away, or maybe that's 3 kilometers maybe, or 3.5. So the time is 2 o'clock, so this is a very sunny, hot weather. Look at that. All right. Oh, kinuha mo sa? Yung nakausap namin, galing sila rito, sabi na halfway, parang 2 kilometers na yung nalakad namin, pero sabi sa yung we still have to walk 3 miles away, so I think that's 5 kilometers something. So it looks like 1.5 hours from the parking area one way going to the Devil's Bridge. So may spot siya na wala talagang trees, mainit. Dito may spot din na parang may trees, at least may shadow, may shade. Hindi gaano kainit. Kanina mga almost kilometer siguro yun na walang kahoy, walang trees, so mainit. Pero dito ano na siya, mayroon ng shade. Pulang-pula ko na dito para nakulitson. We're saving our water, so ito na lang yung tubig namin na natira. At saka ano, so ano na lang, parang 1 cup na lang para ma-survive until sa parking area. At least may ano, may 1 lid pala. At least may tubig na ma-supply sa ano, sa dry